Salsa Dance, Rhythms and Revelations. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of salsa dancing. Whether you're a language learner or a dance enthusiast, understanding the essence of salsa will enrich your cultural and linguistic knowledge. So, let's get started and explore the exciting aspects of salsa dance. Salsa is more than just a dance. It's a cultural phenomenon that combines music, movement, and emotions. Originating in the Caribbean, it has roots in Cuban and Puerto Rican rhythms blended with jazz and other styles. Salsa is not just a dance but an expression of social and cultural identity. Its name, salsa, literally translates to sauce in Spanish, signifying a mix of ingredients, just like the dance itself is a mixture of different influences. Salsa is characterized by its lively music, energetic steps, and passionate expression. The basic steps involve a pattern of 6 steps danced over 8 counts of music. Dancers often add their own flair with turns, spins, and stylized movements. The dance is usually performed by a couple, but it can also be a solo or group activity. The key elements of salsa include rhythm, timing, body movement, and partner work. Understanding salsa dance helps in grasping the cultural context in language. Phrases like feeling the rhythm or moving to the beat are often used metaphorically in English, symbolizing synchrony and harmony in other aspects of life. Also, learning about salsa can help in understanding references in music, movies, and literature, where salsa often symbolizes energy, passion, and a celebration of heritage. I hope this journey into the world of salsa dance has been enlightening and enjoyable. Remember, salsa is not just a set of steps, it's a vibrant expression of culture and emotions. Keep practicing your English and maybe try out a few salsa steps too. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.